नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो। माई सेल्फ जेवियन डॉक्टर रिचा शर्मा, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इन फॉरेंसिक मेडिसिन एंड टॉक्सिकोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेंस यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर, राजस्थान। अब ये अपन नया टॉपिक पढ़ने वाले हैं सेक्सुअल ऑफेंसेस, जो कि रिलेटेड है फॉरेंसिक से। वॉट आर द सेक्शुअल ऑफेंसेस? सो सेक्शुअल ऑफेंस से आप क्या समझते हैं? मतलब बहुत ही गलत तरीके से किया हुआ सेक्स, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज सेक्शुअल ऑफेंस इन लोकल लैंग्वेज। तो सेक्शुअल ऑफेंसेस आर क्लासिफाइड एज फॉलोज: नेचुरल एंड अननेचुरल। तो नेचुरल में होता है रेप एंड इंसेस्ट, एंड अननेचुरल में होता है सोडोमी, ट्राइबडिज्म, बेस्टिलिटी एंड बुकल क्वाइटिस। तो सबसे पहले अपन पढ़ रहे हैं सेक्सुअल परवर्जन्स। Here, a male or female subject gets sexual pleasure without performing any sexual act either in order of nature or against the order of nature. These are sadism, masochism, necrophilia, fetishism, transvestism, voyeurism, and frotteurism. A charge of rape is easy to make, hard to prove, and harder still to disapprove. रेप सबसे बड़ा सेक्सुअल ऑफेंस है रेप। अपन इसके बारे में डिटेल में पढ़ाई करते हैं। तो रेप क्या होता है? फोर्स्ड सेक्सुअल इंटरकोर्स, सेक्सुअल असॉल्ट, सेक्सुअल इंटरकोर्स बिटवीन एडल्ट एंड माइनर. रेप में बी हेटेरोसेक्सुअल इन्वॉल्विंग मेंबर्स ऑफ अपोजिट सेक्स और होमोसेक्सुअल इन्वॉल्विंग मेंबर्स ऑफ सेम सेक्स. रेप इन्वॉल्व इंसर्शन ऑफ एन इरेक्ट पेनिस or an inanimated object into the female vagina or the male anus. Legal definition of rape may also include forced oral sex and other sexual acts. तो रेप का क्या होगा? मतलब कि फोर्सफुल तरीके से, अननेचुरल तरीके से इरेक्ट पेनिस जो है वो, या फिर कोई ऐसा ऑब्जेक्ट है वो फीमेल की वेजाइना में या मेल की एनस में फोर्सफुली डाल दिया है, इसे कहा जाता है रेप. और ओरल सेक्स को भी अपन फोर्स्ड सेक्सुअल ऑफेंस में मानते हैं. एनी सेक्सुअल एक्ट, अटेम्प्ट टू ऑब्टेन अ सेक्सुअल एक्ट, अनवांटेड सेक्सुअल कमेंट्स or advance or act to traffic or otherwise directed against a person sexually, usually correction by any person regardless of their relationship to the victim in any setting, including but not limited to होम एंड वर्क. ये डेफिनेशन है गौतम विश्वास के अकॉर्डिंग. इन इंडिया रेप इज डिफाइंड अंडर सेक्शन 375 ऑफ द एमडेन एज अनलॉफुल सेक्सुअल इंटरकोर्स बाय अ मैन with his own wife under the age of 15 years, with any other woman under the age of 16 years with or without her consent, with any other woman under the age of 16 years with or without her consent, with her consent when her consent was be obtained by putting her or any person she is close to fear of death or hurt, with her consent when at time of giving such consent by reason of unsoundness of mind or intoxication or the administration of any superficial or unwholesome substance, she is unable to understand the nature and consequence of act to which she gave her consent. Punishment for rape. Whoever expect in the cases provided by subsection commit rape shall be punished with imprisonment of either description of for a term which shall not be less than 7 years. 7 साल की सज़ा स्पेशली होती है, उससे कम नहीं होती. But which may be for life or for a term, this may extend to 10 years and shall be liable to also fine if woman rape with his own husband and is not under 12 years of age, in which case he shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for term which may extend to 2 years or with fine or with fine, with both, and provided court may for adequate special reason to be mentioned in the judgment impose a sentence of imprisonment for a term less than 7 years. Whoever, being a police officer commit rape within the limit of police station in which he is appointed. In the premises of any station house, whether or not situated in the police station to which he is appointed, on a woman in his custody or in custody, or a police officer subordinate to him, being on the management or on the staff of a jail, remand home, or other place of custody established by or under the any law for the time being in force, or of a women's children's institution, takes advantage of his official position and commits rape on any inmate of jail, remand home, place of institution, being on the management or on the staff of a hospital, takes advantage of his official position and commits rape on a woman in that hospital, commits rape on a woman known to be pregnant, commits rape on a woman when she is less than 20 years of age, commit gang rape. Age in relation to rape. Age of consent. It is the earliest age at which a girl can give a valid consent for sexual intercourse in India. It is 16 years, and above what, in case of one's own life, it is 15 years. The person will not be criminally responsible for his wife at above 16 years without her consent. For sexual intercourse must be obtained before the act. The consent is nullified if obtained after the act. A husband cannot be charged for rape when he performs the sexual intercourse on his wife at or above the age of 15 years. Even against her will, it is presumed that she cannot give the consent she is supposed to give have given at the time of marriage. Age of male. In English law, a boy who is below age of 14 is not potent to sexual act. However, there is no such provision in India. Age of female. In female, no age is exempted from rape, but ordinarily, it is found that maximum incidence of offense is seen in the age group of 15 to 20 years. Medical legal aspect. Full sexual intercourse may not be possible at time, but vulval penetration, which still amounts of to rape if possible. Full penetration is possible. If man is proportionately stronger than woman, if man gets sufficient time to overcome the resistance offered by lean and thin female, when woman is debilitated and under the influence of drug or is intoxicated, during natural sleep, complete intercourse, although is not possible, but attempt to vulval penetration is possible. Pregnancy can follow rape if the woman is in childbearing age group. Cause of doubt in case of rape can be as follows. Cause of डेथ कैसे हो सकता है रेप में? Hemorrhage and shock when a fully matured and exceptionally large mole organ is forced into the immature and narrow female organ of young virgin woman. Extensive laceration and bleeding may lead to death. Sepsis of lacerated part may lead to septic shock and death. Death can result from exhaustion from successive and repeated intercourse by several persons or due to prolonged struggle. Edema of brain, cause of constitutional disturbance, may sometimes from the reason of death. A child may occasionally be murdered after rape in order to conceal or to destroy the evidence of the crime. Surest sign of rape. There is no such sign, but finding of spermatozoa below the age of consent constitutes rape. It is difficult to ascertain that a man on an adult married woman has committed rape. However, after examination of injuries on body and genital of female, medical man can form his opinion. If a girl induced or compels a boy to commit sexual intercourse on her, it does not constitute rape but a crime, no doubt, and male partner may be acquitted. अब इसके आगे का अपन पार्ट अगले वीडियो में पढ़ेंगे. ये वाला वीडियो काफ़ी लंबा हो रहा है और अगले वीडियो में अपन समझेंगे कि एग्जामिनेशन कैसे किया जाता है रेप विक्टिम्स का.